kicks could actually be better than punches for self-defense, but only if you know the best kicks for you and you practice them regularly. If you're watching this video, then roundhouse kicks to the head, spinning back kicks are probably not in your skill set, and that's absolutely fine. They're better off in the octagon anyway. In this video, we're going to show you what we think might be the best kicks for older people or people with less mobility for self-defense.
I am the old person in the room. I'm 44, Ryan is 28, allegedly. He's 30, he's 77 kilos, he's 92. I am the underdog. When I was younger, I could kick high kicks, spinning kicks. I was decent at it. Now with 44, my flexibility is gone. So if these two guys attack me, I can use my legs, I can use my kicks, but in a clever way and adapting my old age. Okay guys, so if I decided that I'm gonna use my kicks to defend myself, first of all, I need to consider that I'm 44 and I have someone stronger than me, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do, or I'm not going to do, is to throw a kick above the knee. Because if I do this, probably I'm not gonna be fast enough. He's gonna be faster than me and then he's gonna probably grab me, okay? And what I'm definitely not going to be is strong enough, I'm gonna do nothing. So I'm gonna kick, and I'm gonna do nothing. I'm not. Maybe when I was 25, I could throw a middle kick, but not anymore. So basically, I'm not gonna throw any kick above the knees unless it's to the groin, and only. Not even to the hips, which used to be my favorite kick, but not even to the hips, just to the groin. Okay, that's point number one. So the first one, okay, like in football, I'm gonna just clack with the spear point of my feet, either to the knee or to the shin. Trying to create a distraction, hey mate, trying for him to be looking at, and then clack, repeatedly, just touching him, and actually he's not acting. So with all my strength, clack, in there, clack. That's the first one I would do. But what if he's in fighting position? Okay, if he's in fighting position, maybe I'm not gonna have enough range, or even worse, he's ready already to defend himself. So in this case, maybe I'm gonna try the risky one, but a powerful one, which is the inside low kick, bam, there. Okay, you don't need a lot of power, just with your motion, bam, in there, to the knee. I'm not gonna go for the quadriceps, no, I'm gonna go to the knee, I'm gonna try to break his knee, okay? Or I'm gonna try to pam, for him to move and then pam, maybe I can punch up. Actually, if he's a front foot boxer, or he's a front foot fighter who is putting a lot of body weight in the front, bam, he can even go down. And again, I didn't put a lot of strength. Okay, that was in the script, by the way. But I didn't put a lot of strength or body weight, and he nearly fell.
The next one, if the threat's coming from behind you, just maybe buy you a little bit of time and check the balance of the attacker, is just a quick, what we call a donkey kick, right? So we're not looking to go way straight up in the air, right? We're literally just looking again, below the knee. You've seen something's not right, bang. It stops you from having to fully turn around and confront the threat. You can just quickly bang and be gone. So look, Raul has a shield, and I'm just kind of chatting away to the camera and demonstrating this slow time, and already, look how much he's flinching, right? It's a powerful shot, guys.
My favorite one, to hit the groin.
Oh, I haven't got my groin guard.
Okay, that is gonna be funny. So, that part of the body, as much as we like to think the opposite, is a very small part, okay? So you have to have some sort of aim. But even if you just hit around, these muscles around, believe me, that's, at the very least, the guy's gonna flinch as well, okay? So basically there are different, it's like a boxing jab, there are different ways of kicking the groin. Could be just bam, straight, nearly with the shin, bang, okay? Or just bang with the ball of your feet, okay? Or, my favorite, just lifting the knee and then clack, tip, clack, tip. You did karate in the past, the karate guys, they just pip, that's it, it's very easy. So, and he's flinching, he's really flinching, okay?
So the next one is a bit of a variation of the low kick, but rather than kind of going here, we're going again below the knee. So we're gonna come here, below the knee, Ideally, if we can use our shin is like a baseball bat. That's how the Muay Thai fighters kick. They use their shin, they go straight through. So we're not using, like the Taekwondo, we're not using the top of our feet and kind of just bouncing off, scoring a point and feeling really good about ourselves. We want to go straight through, right? So we're going straight through there with the shin. If you're not comfortable using the shin, right, because some people have got really sensitive shins, I've had an operation, whatever it is, you can actually use the inside of your feet here. You just maneuver your feet a little bit. So when I throw that kick, see how I move my feet? And then I'm almost stomping into it. So I'm gonna do it again. One more time. Next one, stomping kick. Coming either with the rear leg or the lead. So stomping kick, I'm just stomping down into the knee. Kind of like, again, knee and below. Maximum is kind of bottom of the thigh here, pushing down into the knee, okay? That's the kind of highest we want to take that kick. So going with the lead or with the rear, bang, stomping down. This is probably way better if the person's coming towards you. So if you're walking towards me, bang, I'm going to pop them straight back where they belong. Again, coming towards me, here. Notice with this, I'm not kind of doing it as if I'm going to take a big step forward. I'm not kicking like I'm taking a step. I'm twisting my foot here because that gives me more surface area, more room to kind of target. If I throw without doing that, without arching my foot, I might brush past and miss completely and then I'm in trouble, right? So I'm going to make sure I twist my foot a little bit and then it gives me more room for error.
An evolution of this one, a very similar one, is a frontal scratching kick, okay? With the sole of my feet, okay? So I can go there and scratch the shin. Again, I need to, hey mate, I need to put a distraction in here and then crack. So basically it's going rake, okay? Could be with one or the other. Yeah. And it's also like a frontal kick, okay? So two options. Frontal kick, hopefully you're gonna damage his knee. Frontal kick and scratching, or just leave me alone, scratching. Nice. Okay, I'm doing something with your arm. With this kick, the security guards in Spain, they do it this way. But again, you need to be a bit skillful. I mean, for me, this is more natural. Yeah. For me, this is more natural than this. I mean, if you are training in karate or in combatives, yeah, this is great. Yeah. Okay, you are trained in combatives or karate. Otherwise, keep it simple. But what happened is he's very close to me, right?
Oi.
A knee. Only and only I could throw a knee. Again, I'm 44. I'm not a Thai boxer anymore. If I have no range to do nearly anything else, and I'm not a good grappler. So then clack, then yes. Otherwise, if I even grab in here like Muay Thai, he puts his elbows down, bam, probably he's gonna hurt me more than I'm gonna hurt him. Even like in Krav Maga, clack, he's gonna hurt me, okay? Clack, he's gonna hurt me. So if he starts to grab, oh, is there, then bam, then maybe yes. Nice. Or he's punching me, then bam, yes, I'm gonna try to throw a knee. But in my opinion, again, if you are no longer a youngster and you are not very well trained kicking-wise, striking-wise, kneeing-wise, only nearly in close quarter combat, okay? Trying to look, obviously, for the groin, I mean, for the knees, okay, for the painful parts of the lower body.
So the perfect kick could be enough to make the attacker lose balance, give you some time to get away. Enemy cannot walk, enemy cannot fight, right, as we all know. But it might not be enough, right? You might not be able to just rely on your kicks alone, and you might have to be prepared to do something more violent and to get some other types of strikes in as well. YouTube's really smart and it's about to recommend the next video that it thinks that you specifically might enjoy, so make sure you check that one out. Okay, thanks guys.
Gracias amigos.